A beautifully updated townhome in one of the city's most convenient and connected communities. Welcome to Unit 43 at 355 Fisher Mills Road, just off the 401 in Cambridge. If you've been looking for something that offers low maintenance living without sacrificing space, this one is going to check your boxes. The kitchen features quartz countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and a crisp and clean backsplash. What I love here is the consistency of the flooring throughout. It goes through all levels and up the staircase. My favorite detail, which just adds so much to the visual appeal, is this beautiful trim work throughout. If you've been thinking of making a move into Cambridge or simplifying your lifestyle without giving up comfort, this is a home you'll want to see in person. For more information or to tour this home in person, give me a call. I'm Nicole Brand, the unique brand you can trust.